So guys, if you cannot access Windows, then you want to go to a different computer to download the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. There's going to be a link to it down below in the description. And now once we're here, make sure that you're on the latest version. And now you want to scroll down and then click on download SetupRST.exe. It should now start downloading. Just wait for this to load. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the download. Just move it to your desktop. And now once we have this on our desktop, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to type in cd space /d space %, user profile %, /desktop. This will also be down below in the description. You can copy and paste it if you want to. And then click on enter, which will now take us to our desktop. And now you want to type in SetupRST.exe space / extractdrivers space RST, and then click on enter, which should now open up this Intel Rapid Storage Technology. And now once that's been opened, we should now have a new folder on our desktop called RST. We need this folder. And now once you have this folder, for the next step, you want to double click on it, and then open up production, open up Windows 10 x64, open up 15063, open up drivers, and you want to find the VMD folder. Now once you find the VMD folder, you want to right click on it, copy, and now on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. You want to plug in your USB drive to your computer, which should then appear right here. You want to open up your USB, and you want to paste that folder into your USB. So just right click on the white space and then click on paste. You want to paste the VMD folder into your USB drive. You can now take out your USB. To safely remove your USB, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow, find the USB icon, click on it, find your USB and then click on eject. We're now going to go back to a computer which has the Windows installation on it. And now once you're on the Windows install screen, you want to select your operating system version and then click on next, and then click on I accept and then click on next. You want to select custom install Windows only advanced. Make sure that you choose this option right here. And now you want to click on load driver. Make sure that your USB is plugged in and then click on browse. You want to find your USB, select the VMD folder and then click on OK. And you should now be seeing this. You want to choose the option Intel RSD VMD Controller A77F. Once you select that, you want to click on next. It should now be showing your drives. Choose the drive that you want to install Windows to. Once you select it, you want to click on next. You can now continue on with the Windows installation, and then that's how you do it.